Hi everyone, welcome to Excel tutorial. Today we will talk about conditional formatting. As you see, we have a table. In the table you can change the formatting of the cells according to, based on the condition. Let's say you want to make the cell color red if the point is less than 50. As you see, the cell values more than less than 50 is colored with the red. Um, let's look at another one. If the point is more than 70, it's going to make this green. Let me change some of them. I would like to decrease this value to 45 and its colors will turn to red. Let me do the for another one, the 31. I'm gonna turn this to 75 and the color will also turn to green. Alright, so it's all about formatting conditions. You set the condition and it will change the formatting based on the condition. Alright, I also did different formatting for the average. As you see, this is these icons, the internet connection. You can see the strength of the internet connection from these sticks. As you see, the 4 sticks is available, which means it's a strong point. But for the 1, 2 and the 0 sticks, which means it's not a strong values, they are weak values. You can also change their icons. I would like to do this from first beginning. First I'm going to clear all the rules from the selected place, and then I will apply them all step by step. Alright, first I'm going to select these all values, and I would like to do this part. If the grade less than 50, the color will be red. I will go to, after selection, go to conditional formatting and highlight cells rules. I'm gonna go to select the less than and then write my condition. My condition was if the value less than. As you see, format cells that are less than. And then I'm going to choose the red. If you don't like this, you can find different color options if you go to custom formats. Here we go. I'm gonna go to fill and select the color. Let me choose this one. Okay, and if you want, you can also change the pattern color and pattern style. It's all up to you. You can also change the color of the the borders. Let's say I would like to do this red because it's a danger point if less than 50, and you have to also select this box. You have to box this. Okay, if you want, you can do different changes for this cell. I will say okay, and then look at this one. All the colors is selected like this. Here we go. I will do the same thing for the grades that which are more than 50. I go to greater than and right there. No, not than 50. It was 70. Sorry about it. I'll do the 70, and the color is going to be green, and say okay, and all of them will be green. And now if you change any values here, and it will all affect it. Let's say I would like to change its value to 45, and it will turn to the red. And if I change this to example 90, and it will turn to green. Okay, the points between 50 and 70 will stay same. If you want, you can also add it in different colors. Now I would like to do another conditional formatting for the average. I will go to this part, and then if you want, you can do greater, bigger, and the other things. But for this part, I would like to show you different things. Look at this one, top 10 items from here. If you want, you can just show the top 5 items from here, and then you can show them in yellow. Okay, so these are the top 5 averages in the class. Let me select them all. I would like to apply something else. First, I'm gonna clear these rules over there, and then I will show you. I think you got this part. If you want to show the top 5, the top 10%, bottom 10, or above the average. Look at this one, above the average. Let's say you made a test and you want to give a extra points who is ever over the the average of the class, and you can show this with the yellow again. Look at this one. Let me find the average of this all class. I'll write their average, press tab, select all the numbers, and it will be about 66. Let's see it. I would like to do this a little bit like this so I can see the average better. So the class average is 66. The yellow painted cells are more than 66, okay, or 65.58. Look at this one. It's 65.67, which is bigger than the main average, so that's why it formatted. That was the condition. Okay, I'm going to clear this one also and show you the next one. Let's do some formatting with icons, data bars. Example, if you choose this one, it will fill with the bar. If you have your average, let's say close to 100, and it's going to fill more. If you have few grades, and it will just fill the part of them. Okay, from here you can also understand who got the good grade. I'm going to also clear this one and do for another. So this time we will practice with icons. Here are with the directionals, with the shapes, with indicators, and the ratings. I would like to do with these ratings. Example, if you got about a complete full grade, it will make a whole circle. If you have a bad grade, it will give you an empty circle. Or if you have average grade, it will give you half circle. Okay? So you can also change this option from the conditional formatting. This one, or this one. Okay, dear Excel users, I hope it was useful to understand the conditional formatting. See you in another tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.